welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a summer vibe look. Not too heavy, not of a heavy look because of the weather. You know, it's hot, it's raining. I live in Florida, so that's how the weather is right now. So I just want to do something easy and basic type of look. I'm gonna use so far one of my, well, I just got this palette, but so far is pretty good. I really like it. It's the Ardell palette, Sunset Beats 18S. This one, and this is how it looks. Very beautiful. Alright, so I already primed my lids and then my eyebrows. I didn't do it too heavy or too dark neither. I have thick eyebrows, so they look, you know, heavy, I guess. I don't know. but yeah, I just did it with pencil and just, you know, cover any spaces that I have or anything like that. So yes, so let's get started. I'm gonna use the Morphe M441 brush. It looks like this. I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna grab the shade, which this one is called Daybreak. And I'm gonna use that as my transition. No, actually, hold on. No, I'm gonna use All Light, and I'm gonna use that as my transition shade. Okay, so let's get started with that. Okay, with the Morphe 433 brush, I'm going in with Orange Sky, and I'm gonna place it right on top of that color that we placed. Mainly on your crease, not going too up. Should look something like this right now. Okay, with a smaller brush, this is a M456. It looks something like this. I'm gonna grab the shade. It's called Landscape. I'm gonna grab that shade real quick. Actually, I think I'm gonna do Sunset View. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna apply it right there in my crease. what we're going to do. Let's see, I'm thinking I'm gonna grab a small blending brush. I want to put something in my outer corner. I want to darken up a little bit. Let's see what I got. Okay, I'm gonna grab M506. It looks like this. And I'm gonna grab Landscape now. I want to put that in my outer corner. Go in with 441. I'm just gonna buff that out real quick. So it should be looking so far like this. That color does not come like on the camera. It doesn't look that dark, but in person it looks. The color looks very soft, so I don't know. But anyways, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do a half crease and we'll take it from there. I'm gonna go in with the brush M410. Looks like that. I'm gonna use that and create my half cut crease. Grab this one, the 441. I'm just gonna blend the outside real quick. Okay, with the brush 166. It's a flat brush like this. I'm gonna grab the shade, let's see, the one next to Moonrise. I can't say that one. I'm gonna grab that one and I'm just gonna apply it right there on my lid to set that concealer. It should look something like this right now. I want to darken my outer corner real quick. Let me get a better brush than what I used earlier. I really didn't like that brush. Let me see. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I grabbed the Real Techniques brush. This one, my favorite little blending brush. I'm gonna go in with the shade Maroon Island and put it in my outer corner because the other one wasn't too dark enough. So I'm just gonna do that. So this is how it looks. So that's it for the shadows. Now I'm gonna go with my favorite black liner and create a little wing line. So let's do that. Alright you guys, so my camera, you know, as usual got a little hot, so I had to turn it off, but I did my wing liner and I did apply my lashes. These are the Ardell's lashes. They come in packs like this, so I just stacked two together and that was that. Okay, so we're gonna do our face now. So I just got this. It's an illuminizer and I really like it. I use this as my primer, but I don't put that much. So remember, this look is like to go to the beach, but to the bars or something, you know, because you know the weather ain't no joke out here. So I just apply this on my T-zone, I guess you could call it. So it's over here. Yeah. It's very like a sticky, what is it called? Consistency. Very sticky. Well, it feels that way, but it's not really. I don't want to put it on my chin because my chin is already oily as it is. So I'm just gonna put it on my nose. Like you could just put this on and just go to the beach. Because this is pretty cute. You know, you see the shine? Yeah. So the foundation that I normally use when it's like hot weather is this one from, what's it called, Maybelline? Yeah, the Fit Me one, Maybelline. This is the shade 220. And I'll just use this on a brush like this. And I don't put too much. And the good thing about this foundation is not very heavy. It's very light. It's kind of like a CC cream or a BB cream. One of those. try not to put too much here, because if you're gonna wear sunglasses, you don't want it to like look cakey or like your makeup sliding off or something. So you see, I don't really put much. That little bit went a long way for half of my face. So I'm just gonna put a little bit again for the other side. So I don't want to put concealer because I just don't want, I don't want it to look too glam, because the eyes are already like popping. So I don't want to put concealer, but I am gonna set my face with a powder foundation. And the one that I use, which one is it? It's called from MAC, Medium Tan. This is what I use. So I'm just gonna set my foundation with that. Let me get a brush real quick. Just gonna grab a brush like that. And I'm basically setting the foundation with this. I'm really not picking too much neither, so don't think I'm overdoing it, because I'm not. And you always want to put an SPF. I didn't for this time, but just keep in mind, always wear SPF moisturizer. Alright, so now for the lip, I'm going to just use a matte. I can't talk today. I think I'm gonna do, no, I don't want to do that one. I want to do something light, not too heavy either. Let's see, maybe Glowing from this brand. I'm gonna try this one and see. Looks like that. I already applied my little chapstick. Yeah. So my lips are protected. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. So it doesn't look too extreme. It looks kind of simple, you know? So this is what it looks like. Very simple, easy, and not too heavy, not too much. Perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to see more videos, and I'll see you guys on my next video.